Hey fellow adventurers, welcome back to John's Lifestyle Adventures. Today we're taking you on an epic journey into the snow-covered mountains of Colorado. We faced extreme weather, battled icy winds, and had to make some tough decisions to survive. Let's dive into our winter camping escapade. It's about 28 degrees right now. Tonight it's going to be below zero. That's where you always gotta wear safety for your eyes, guys. All right, guys. Forgot the cotton ball, so I'm gonna try to take this off of a Q-tip here so that we could get a little fire started. Use the top for this. Just dip that sucker right in there. Let's see if we can get our little fire started. All right. Freaking windy here. We got it, guys. We got it. We got it. It is so cold, guys. We're gonna have to cheat a little bit. Sorry. After like 30 minutes, I think we finally got a little fire going. Whew.
Right?
Got this cool little stove here.
Yeah. It's cold.
It's very cold, guys, so we're gonna have to cheat.
God.
We gotta use a lighter. Oh, finally got some fire, guys. Just look at that. All right, after 500 years later, we finally got some fire. Now, as we do that, we're gonna go ahead and set up our little shelter here, or camp van, whatever, or camp truck, or camp forerunner. And this is the life, guys. Look at that. All right, guys, we had to do this inside the car. We used indoor safe a fire starter here, so yeah, stay tuned. There we go, guys. There you have it.
Yeah.
Yay! Now it's time for cooking. Got a ton of elk over there. Here we go. I tell you what, guys, the only thing that's cold are my toes. Other than that, very well insulated here. Got a little adventure meal here. Mexican style adobo, rice, and chicken. We'll see how good this is. Whoa, look at that. All right, now that my water's boiling, let's go ahead and put it in here. Nice and hot. Look, babe. This is for you.
Oh, thank you, baby.
I don't know if you can see that or not.
Yeah.
But there is frost everywhere, guys. Look at that. The frost buildup.
It's frost.
All right. Our adventure meal is nice and toasty. Let's give it a try. It's hot. Not my taste, or not my style, but when you're out here in the cold, this will definitely hit the spot. Just needs a little bit more salt. What do you think, babe?
Salt.
Salt?
Mm-hmm.
Not too bad, huh? Guys, my wife is a true Mexican, so she needs to go ahead and put some hot sauce, Cholula, Kahlua, whatever you want to call it.
Okay. So.
It's better?
Yeah. That's good. Spicy.
Like I said, if you don't have anything to eat, they're not that great, but it hits the spot. A bit crunchy. Now let's go on to our next meal. For the meal of the night, we're going to have some good old ramen.
Yeah.
This is some delicious stuff.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now that our water is boiling here, wow, look at that.
Ready?
Whew, hot.
Wow.
Let's leave that in there for a few minutes. Come back, then we'll add our seasoning. A little stir. And in a few minutes, we will have some Colorado mountain ramen, guys. Look at that. Looks delicious, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh. Our ramen is ready, guys. Let's see.
I know.
All right, guys, so we decided to leave because of the road conditions tomorrow. It'll be really icy, so to get back home, it'll be dangerous. And, you know, besides these videos, we have a regular full-time job that we have to go to. But I don't know if you can see that. It is, I am at my house, which is about 4,000 or 5,000 feet below where we were. And it is showing 9 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at that. It is negative 10 degrees here where I live. Crazy. All right, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later.